You're bragging about making the top 20? Only 20 people fished that tournament. Why is your truck wrapped? I've never even heard of any of those companies. Oh, you're on a pro staff. Sweet jersey. You look like a NASCAR driver. If the Special Olympics had NASCAR. Bro, nobody cares about your 3 Minn Kotas on the back of your new canoe. So wait, you're telling me you spent $1,500 so that you might win $800? That ain't even a kayak. That's like a damn pontoon boat or something. So you're 37 years old and you still live with your parents so that you can fish more. Is it a basic requirement in kayak fishing that you have to be an internet troll? What the hell is a kayak fishing rod? It looks just like a regular fishing rod. Oh, so you've been fishing 3 months and you're a professional kayak angler. Everything is a damn game changer anymore. Nobody stole your idea. I mean, there's only so many ways you can change a kayak. Most of these kayaks aren't even kayaks anymore. Sweet 10-pounder. You sure your scale's working? Facebook groups. How you gonna let your baby mama work 3 jobs just so you can fish during the week? Facebook groups. Catch and release only. CPR. Why the hell are you paying $300 for a damn milk crate? Alright guys, so I already know this video is gonna catch a ton of heat. I'm just having some fun. Try not to take everything too personal. I used to be, if not still am, one of these guys that I'm talking about, so please don't take it too personal. I'm sure there's gonna be a lot of hate comments, but I welcome them. Like I said, just having some fun. But yeah, if you enjoyed this and you thought it was funny, definitely give it a thumbs up. Please smash the subscribe button. But alright everybody, I'll see you next time.